Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the life of one of America's most iconic figures, Abraham Lincoln. You probably know him as the 16th president who led the nation through the Civil War and ended slavery, but there's so much more to his story. So, grab a seat, because we're about to uncover some fascinating facts you might not have learned in history class. Let's start with his early life. Did you know that Lincoln was largely self-educated? Born in a one-room log cabin in Kentucky, his formal schooling totaled less than a year. But that didn't stop him. He was a voracious reader, borrowing books whenever he could and studying subjects like law on his own. Imagine that dedication. This passion for learning eventually propelled him from a humble background to becoming a successful lawyer in Illinois. Now, here's a fun one. Lincoln was an accomplished wrestler. Before he was wrestling with political opponents, he was literally wrestling with local challengers. Standing at a towering 6'4", he was a formidable athlete. It's said that out of about 300 matches, he only lost one. In fact, he's even enshrined in the National Wrestling Hall of Fame. It just goes to show you can't judge a president by his portrait. Lincoln was also a man of great compassion, not just for people, but for animals too. There are numerous stories about him stopping to help animals in distress, from rescuing a pig stuck in the mud to putting baby birds back in their nest. This empathy was a core part of his character and undoubtedly shaped his views on humanity and justice. It's a powerful reminder that true strength often lies in kindness. And let's talk about his inventive side. Lincoln is the only U.S. president to ever hold a patent. In 1849, he designed a device to help boats navigate shallow waters. It consisted of inflatable bellows attached to the sides of a ship. While it was never manufactured, it shows his brilliant and practical mind was always at work, trying to solve problems he encountered. Of course, we can't talk about Lincoln without mentioning his incredible gift for words. The Gettysburg Address, his most famous speech, is only 272 words long and took just over 2 minutes to deliver. Yet, its powerful message about equality and democracy has echoed through generations. He redefined the Civil War as a struggle not just for the Union, but for the very soul of the nation and the principle that all men are created equal. So, there you have it, a closer look at the man behind the monument. From a self-taught frontiersman and champion wrestler to a compassionate leader and brilliant orator, Abraham Lincoln was a truly remarkable individual. His legacy is a testament to the power of perseverance, integrity, and a profound belief in the potential of every person. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Until next time, stay curious.